As the country prepares for the next general election, we call upon all citizens to reject vote buying and resist any attempt to commercialize their democratic rights. We strongly condemn the growing use of gangs and iron goons to intimidate political opponents. This is a dangerous threat that can easily lead to violence during election. We call upon young people to reject manipulation by politicians who exploit them to perpetrate violence before abandoning them afterwards. We urge political leaders to invest in meaningful employment and livelihood opportunities for young people instead of recruiting them into violence. We further call upon citizens to reject and hold accountable any leader who promotes political violence or sponsors criminal gangs.
We are still retaliating that we urge the government to ensure that all the projects which we were promised, some of them had already been started, others were launched. We are urging the government to ensure that they serve the citizens by seeing into it that all projects are brought into completion, because it is our right, because it's a good thing that the citizens do deserve. We are also calling the government and the law enforcers to ensure that they deal firmly with this issue of gangs and goonism, which is becoming very rampant every now and then in this country. That they should stop the politicians from hiring the young people, for bringing them close to them for their selfish use and gains.
Na tugithikinyagia kuria Kirinyaga ni ati ari njira ya kugacirithia urimi wa macani. Minister wa urimi guku bururi-ini na niwe Mutahi Kagwe ni atongorete mihango ya kunengerana githii kia macani kuri arimi a Kirinyaga. Githii giki gia Kagaita kiri no hoti wa gukorwo gigikinyaniria uthondeki wa macani ma Japana. Hari ndumiriri yake Mutahi Kagwe riu arawiga ati arimi ni megukorwo makigunika kuna maita maingi matikoretwo makiona faita.
Kwa sababu, how can we have the only factory in Africa? Africa nzima tu, we are the only ones hapa. How can we be the only people in Africa who can sell Zencha tea in Africa? Lakini hata majani ikiwa mzuri namna gani, hata tukikiwa na Kangaita tea ambayo mimi nanunua katika supermarket nikienda, nanunuaga mimi nakunywa chai hapa. Hata nikiwa na hiyo chai na hakuna mtu anajua habari ya hiyo chai Ulaya, chai hatutaweza. Na ni lazima tuende China to promote Kenya tea. Na ukienda huko utaona chai ya Sri Lanka is being promoted by Sri Lanka. Chai ya Pakistani kwanza wanauza chai yetu na wanasema hii ni chai ya Pakistan. And you see it. Ukienda Amerika utasikia kahawa ya huko inauzwa na inajulikana Colombia coffee. Last year at this time we had about 76%. This time it was 96%. So it is not also true that the introduction of this levy or that levy or what is affecting the tea uptake. It is the highest. Na itaendelea kuwa namna hiyo kwa sababu we are going to start serious promotion of Kenya brand, of the geographical indicators of our tea, and that it is Kenya tea. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to assure you that as a government, we are totally committed to empowering the tea farmer, to empowering the tea producer, to empowering the tea processor. Na vile chairman umesema that we want to upgrade Kangaita tea. Tusaidie. Kangaita is famous. Hata ukienda Pakistan utasikia watu wakisema wanataka Kangaita tea. Wanataka Kangaita tea. Lakini tunawaambia going forward usinunue Kangaita tea, unaweka hati yako unasungusha hapa unasema ni Japanese tea, ni Pakistani. We want Kenya tea iitwe Kenya tea. And that is why we are going to invest substantial amounts of money in promoting Kenya tea overseas.
Na tulio gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya Region ni ati mubunge wa imenti ya muhuro Dagitari Shadrack Kamweti ni adite na mbere na gukuru athurimite waki wa barabara ya Kanyakine, Mara na Mitongo, na iri gukuru ikinyita itemi ria mwanya hari gukuru ikihiungira miaramano odumwe na guteithiriria wonjoria hamwe na taburira ingi ciothi wa nambere. Akiaria mubunge uyu ohono wathite na mbere na gukuru agicokeria ngatho mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William Samoei Ruto odumwe na munini wake na niwe Professor Kithure Kindiki, na ndio wa guthi na mbere na gukuru makinyanirie taburira itiganite ciothi wa nambere kuri ya Kenya.
Siku ya leo tulikuwa nafanya inspection ya hii barabara ya kutoka Kionyo, Kanyakine, Mitungu ambayo inayokuwa lami. Ile section contractor ameanza ni section ya kutoka Kanyakine mpaka Mitungu. Alafu hii section ikiisha, section ya kutoka Kionyo mpaka Kanyakine nayo itaendelea. Vile vile nimetoka upande wa Mara na nimeona barabara ya kutoka Kithino kwenda Mara ikielekea Moroga vile vile inaendelea. Equipments iko kwa barabara kwa wingi na hizi barabara mbili zinaendelea wakati moja. Lengo langu ni kuona Abogeta iko na barabara kama vile Mkwene, Mitungu wako na barabara kutoka Malimba, Nkubu, Mitungu, na Igozi sub county vile vile wako na barabara ya kutoka Mutunguru kwenda Kinoro mpaka Moroga. Lengo langu ni kuona economy ya area hii imeamuka na vile vile communication ya watu iko rahisi na mazao kutoka upande wa Ethitwe itakuwa nafika kwa soko letu rahisi sana. Mimi naangalia sana kuona kuna interconnection kutoka kwa barabara hizi za county, na nilisaidia MCA wa area hii kutengeneza barabara ya kutoka pale Kabaune, Kadithine ukielekea Ethitwe.
Na thutha wa kwamukira riboti yo kuma imenti tukwamba gwikiroro hanini ni turacokereria.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, station ya radio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire. O muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano, tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini. thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco.
Ewe niwe ndirera we kawira kau gaku o investiire miaka iyo yothe ri umuthi uyu ngoma angiariria turi anime moke magukua indo ciaku ungika atia kana ungiambirie kumacaria na miguu ta njege tatengera kuria gwa Kimuma Engineering System umere makuonia CCTV cia kamera ciraiganirira muhuko waku. Oho ni makoragwo na electric fence materials razor wire cia green na cia silver. Ni makoragwo na access control system eira cia kuhinya fingerprint ugitonya, intruder alarm system, na no makoragwo na indo ciothe cia mwaki nginya fire extinguishers. Oho no makoragwo na solar panels na ni makoragwo nginya na ihingo automatic kuhinya ka remote oguo wira ni muingi twa gutinda kung'ang'ana na ngeti. Ni mahetwo ngerenwa nyingi muno. Nduka ciao cikuria Nairobi CBD macamanĩrio-inĩ ma Kamae na Gaborone Road. Showroom yao ĩ hau Nyandarua House ground floor. Nduka yao yao ĩrĩ kũu Nyandarua House second floor room 204. Nduka yao ĩ harĩa Gaborone Plaza ground floor number G1. Na kwa kũrĩa Kasarani ni harĩa Max Plaza kũng'ethanĩra na Kasarani Police Station. Ona kana no macarie na thimũ 0793494949 kana 0793949494 kana 0793595959. Gitĩra wĩra waku na CCTV cameras kuma Kimuma Engineering System. Twaririe
Mwiroreri wa Kiheo TV utangimenya kuria umite ndungimenya kuria werekeire na nikio nie Wangari wa Kimani ndikurehagira ciaga tene thiine wa Kiheo TV ndekeje kumenya weka indu yuaga na ndoceragiro hihi uri weyuria matura matiganite metirwo guo niki wa muhiano itura ria Gathara-ini Githurai Ting'ang'a Kirigiti Gacagati ka maingĩ hihi ni uri weyuria uria maundu mekikaga na uria mekagwo na hau kabere nyitanagira na nie Wangari wa Kimani thiine wa tabarĩra ya nyĩmbo cia gatene tugakorwo tukirunga meri matatu tukiuhigania oro ndumwe na gucanjamuka na nyĩmbo cia gatene. Donete tawariganirwo ati Ngai ni wanyumbire ire naguo mwico wa mundu ni kiambiriria gia kungai rĩrĩa ni ndanyalirĩkĩte ngorwo ni thayo na gĩkeno orĩrĩ ndoretwo nĩ hinya Jehova wĩoke mwĩhoko.
Ĩno nĩ ceceni ya Kiheo TV kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Na karibu nitwacokereria hari ikereka ria keri na ria muthia. Ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia muingi guku bururi-ini ikoretwo iri kuria mwena uria wa wote na nindite na mbere na gukorwo ikiheana maoni mao na ikoiga ati ohoro wigie ndumiriri ya minista wa maundu maya ya bururi na niwe Musalia Mudavadi ya kugathika muthi wa riria Kenya mafati gukorwo makiheana mawoni mao makoiga ati undu uyu ndufati ona hanini. Ikundi cia kuma Makueni Odome na kaunti ya Kiambu iroiga ati bururi wa Kenya ni kuri kihoto gia kwiyaria ni kuri wiyathi wa kuheana mawoni na Kenya kugigakinya handu ati nimekuhingiririo mawoni mao matari maraheana makoiga ati undu ni mugaro wa watho na ndufatie.
We are actually mesmerized kuona ya kwamba mtu ambaye alileta slogan ya NASA ambayo ilikuwa inatetea mwenye nje akiwa na Raila Amolo Odinga, tukashangaa ni kwa nini saa hii njua kwa serikali ameanza kukandamiza katiba yenyewe, na tunajua ya kwamba public participation is in County Government Act and the Constitution of Kenya 2010. So hiyo Mudavadi amesema tunaikemea kwa ukali na tunasema ya kwamba mwenye nje apatiwe uhuru wa kupatiana miradi na kupatiana policies zile zitampatia service, quality service delivery.
And it raises serious concerns to us citizens who are interested in good governance of this country, where a senior state official can suggest that the public participation process be shortened. And to us, this raises concern because it is a roadmap to dictatorship in this country. Because the Constitution does not grant the citizens of this country public participation as a favor. It is a right for what makes this country have active citizenry and participation in good governance.
Na niseme kuwa huo si usemi wa kiongozi. Huo ni usemi ambao unaelekeza uongozi katika shimo kubwa, hatutumbukize kule ndio waweze kuendeleza mambo yale yana wafaidi wao kama viongozi wa milengo fulani, na tukatae kwa umoja, tuseme huo sio usemi wa kiongozi ambaye tunamwangalia pale juu ataadhiri maendeleo, ataadhiri na viongozi wengine, na tumeukataa sana.
Hapa Makueni tumeona matunda ya public participation. The success we have seen here in Makueni from the previous administration ni kwa sababu sisi tumechangia pakubwa mambo ya public participation. In fact, other counties do come here wa benchmark mambo ya public participation. Sasa anatuambia tuache mambo ya public participation na tumeona matunda yake, tufanye aje? Tungepanda kuambia bwana Mudavadi hivi, hata kama huwezi tuheshimu sisi, heshimu katiba ya Kenya. It is in the constitution.
Na tukirikireria ni ati kanjũ ya athuri a rũrĩrĩ rwa Luo rĩu nĩmendekithĩtie ũrũmwe gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ makĩũria ateti matige gũkorwo makĩgayũkania mũingĩ. Kanjũ nĩheanĩte ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ũrĩa mathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo makiuga rĩrĩa igongona rĩa Pini Luo rĩgakorwo rĩkĩhanĩka o ũndũ ũmwe na kĩririkano kĩa ũrĩa warĩ Prime Minister gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ na niwe Raila Odinga.
The 5th Pini Luo Festival is scheduled to be held in Kisumu on the 14th to 16th of December 2026. And the theme of this year's festival is celebrating the Luo cultural evolution and dynamism. We are going to celebrate rich Luo cultural heritage which enhances peace, love, unity, and a sense of belonging among the Luos and cooperation between the Luo nation and other ethnic communities. We therefore urge elected political leaders, professionals, religious leaders, youths, women groups, and persons living with disabilities to fully support and participate in this year's important cultural event. We shall be commemorating the first anniversary of our late patron, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga aka Tinga, in October this year 2026. We are calling upon friends of our fallen patron to observe the day. The current construction of the Raila Odinga Museum is ongoing at Kang'o Kajaramogi. We appreciate the involvement of the government of Kenya, led by His Excellency Samoei William Ruto, who is taking a leading role in particular this construction of the museum.
I need unity from our politicians, particularly Luo politicians. I talked to them when we were burying Wangai's brother, and I'm repeating it today. Me and my team, we are going to call them MPs, Wasiris, my MCS, the governors, the party leaders, religious leaders, and many others from Luo community, so that we can sit and we get the way forward.
Na riboti yo igie urume wa bururi kana urume bururi-ini ni yakoretwo twikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maria tuma na mongatho cia mwanya kuri we mwiroreri wa Kiheo Television ni ndo agutwihoka undume na gukorwo gitwarithanĩtie hamwe na ithuĩ. Mohoro mangĩ ni mathaa ma hwaĩ-inĩ na ni tugatungana nawe muthenya wa kiumia thĩinĩ wa mohoro ma Kiheo kabiro ma thaa ĩmwe juma wika no ĩndĩ na memereke na njĩra ya ciĩko na ketagwo Lorena Wambui. Hadu ni hatimu yothe tugakwendithĩria weekend ĩna umithio. Nie njĩtagwo Francis Wairura.